As the new year begins, it's the perfect moment to reset and refocus on the routines you recommend for dry eye management. Daily consistency is where real progress happens. Effective dry eye care often requires more than one approach. That's why I-LID Pharma has simplified dry eye management into a clear 4-step routine: heat, cleanse, hydrate, and nourish. Each step supports a different part of the dry eye puzzle. Start with eye relief's soothing moist heat therapy to stimulate lipid oil production. Keep eyelids and lashes free of debris with our line of I-LID N LASH ocular hygiene cleansers. And hydrate throughout the day with our preservative-free eye drops to help protect and stabilize the tear film. Finally, support healthy tear function from within with daily iView Omega-3 supplements. Simple steps, easy to incorporate, and more effective when they become part of an everyday routine. See the difference with I-LID Pharma.